Using your mobile app, there are a few easy steps to get ready for your upcoming Cleveland Clinic MyChart video visit. Please allow up to 15 minutes for the e-check-in process. For scheduled visits, please complete e-check-in at least one day before your appointment. For same-day visits, 15 minutes before your appointment. If you don't already have them installed, download the Zoom and MyChart mobile apps from the Apple App Store or Google Play, depending on the device you use. Once finished, you can close the Zoom app. When you begin your video visit, Zoom will launch automatically. Be sure to select Cleveland Clinic as your provider prior to logging into MyChart for the first time. Tap Appointments. Then, tap your upcoming video visit appointment. Tap e-check-in. Verify your information and answer all required questions. Finish the e-check-in process and log out of MyChart. Go into your phone settings, check the Zoom settings, and enable access to the microphone and camera. In your internet browser settings, make sure you have allowed pop-ups. Your MyChart mobile account is now set up for video visits. You may connect up to 15 minutes prior to your appointment time. Log into your MyChart app and tap Appointments, then tap your video visit appointment, and then tap the green Begin Visit button. You will then see the Zoom site launch in your mobile browser. Confirm you would like to open the page in the Zoom app. A screen will display advising you to wait until your provider connects and starts your appointment. When your provider arrives, select Join with Video. You will be prompted to join audio. Select either call using internet audio or dial in. You are ready to begin your mobile MyChart video visit. To invite a guest to join you and your provider, please follow the step-by-step instructions at clevelandclinic.org/mychart-video-visits. Your guest must use a device that is connected to the internet, has a forward-facing camera, and has the Zoom app. If they do not have the Zoom app, they will be prompted to download it when they click the link. When your visit is complete, your provider will end the visit. Click OK when the Leave Meeting window displays. You may see an Update Available message from Zoom. Click the Update button to ensure that you have the most optimized and secure version of Zoom for future calls. Please note, you will not be able to connect to your appointment 20 minutes after your scheduled time. If this occurs, your visit will be canceled and you will need to contact your provider to reschedule your appointment. For assistance, please contact MyChart support at 866-915-3383.